With this functionality of the Warehouse Extensions bundle, the user is able to reactivate documents such as goods movements, goods receipts, goods shipments, and physical inventories. For this example, a goods movement document is reactivated. In the Goods Movements window, select the corresponding document and click the Reactivate button. Then, the status bar shows the document as not processed. As a result, the product transactions linked to the selected goods movement are removed.